What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So our target hit for Bitcoin, we're going to talk about that. First, we're going to talk a little bit about the Dow Jones. As you guys know, if you watch the channel, I do believe there is something much worse than a recession coming. And I don't think that your risk assets are going to be the safe place. I know Bitcoin has came a long ways, but in all reality, you need to be careful with Bitcoin. I personally would not put all my money in Bitcoin, not even half, not even a third, not even a quarter at this point. And I'll show you why in this video. If that sounds good, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Let me know, do you think we're going to hit all new all-time highs again, or do you think this is over or very close to over? We're going to take a look at the charts now. I'm going to show you something very interesting in the Dow Jones. We'll see how it plays out today, and then we'll move on to Bitcoin. So, as you guys know, I've been looking at this as a possible ending fifth wave diagonal, right? Ending around 44.3, 44.5, somewhere in that range, depending on when it hits this top line. Now, that is the bullish case for the Dow Jones, in my opinion. If it breaks that, it could go crazy, but this is definitely looking like an ending diagonal. It could be over now, and I'll show you why. For those of you that want to know the big picture, take a look at any of my other videos, and you'll see in there. But as you can see, if we zoom into this daily candle yesterday, that is a bearish engulfing candle. Both the wicks and the bodies stretched past the prior bullish candle, right? Now we have a major daily, this is a daily candle, bearish engulfing candle. That's not a good sign for the markets. Although it's just a daily, it could just retrace, come back down to the 200 EMA, which is approximately 42.3, 42.5 before continuing up. But I'd be very cautious here, and I'll explain why in a minute. For those of you that are interested in trading, definitely check out PrimeXBT, the sponsor of this channel. Links down below. Using my link, you can get up to a $7,000 bonus. You can trade the Dow Jones, crypto, Forex, S&P, everything all from one exchange. You can even trade it against your Bitcoin to try to accumulate more Bitcoin while trading the regular markets. Definitely check them out if you haven't. I'll leave a tutorial video up here, and let's get into it. So this is the target I'd given you for this being a ABC correction and then a continuation to the downside. If that happens, there's a few places we could look for support here. One being somewhere down in the 54,000 range. If that breaks, you're looking for about 35,000 range. And as you guys know, if we do go into a Great Depression like type crash, like I believe we will in traditional markets, it's going to go a lot lower. So just be cautious and be careful out there, guys. But as you guys can see, here's what we did. We went from this low to this high to this low. Looking at this as an AB, and then our C, our one-to-one extension, is 68.59, right? I do have a short in. I posted it on Twitter. I posted it in my Discord. Both links are down below. But I do have I'm going to ladder in all the way up to 70K if it makes it there, and have my stops about 70,120. There is a possibility we come up to this 1.27, right? And that is about 72.8. Now, I do have a bullish case. You can go back and watch my videos. If these levels do break, we could be looking at 75 to 85,000 range, which would be a Wyckoff distribution. I've explained that in many videos. So what I'm doing now, what I want to explain about shorting these. So if this gets down, right, if we get a nice downside, I'll move my stops into break even. That way I can't lose the trade, right? So if it wicks back up, stops me out, no big deal, right back in. But as it continues down, if it does break, once we break like this 65 level, I will move my stops down to 67, so on and so forth. Each time one level's broke, I will move my stops down. But guys, there's a very good possibility that this is really bad news. But again, if the stock markets are able to pump, Bitcoin may hold on to this level for a little bit, may even break these levels. But as of right now, this is the one-to-one extension. We hit it on the dot. We could come back up and test it a few more times, get some wicks. But nevertheless, I just wanted to get this video out, guys. Be safe out there. There's this is what I do believe it will look like. This being Bitcoin on the right, this being the .com bubble on the left. I've showed you guys this pattern. You got your 3 highs, you got your 3 higher highs over here. Major downside could be coming, guys. Be careful, be cautious out there. This could be the opportunity of a lifetime if you are trading. Anyways, just be careful out there, guys. Things aren't looking good. Can they continue holding this up until the elections are done? Maybe. But we'll see. I think it'd be a good time, a smart thing, if they are doing the biggest money grab in history, to do it before the elections. Not meaning that the whole drop, but just top it before the elections, because everybody will think it will continue up for the elections. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will be getting into more detailed videos, but I wanted to get a quick one out because this is a key level to watch, guys. Be safe out there. I'm out.